Dear friends, I'm going to teach you another Qigong exercise. This Qigong exercise can be practiced in any place and at any time. And the point is that if you repeat that exercise or this exercise in high numbers, for example, 20, 40, 50, or 100, uh, even though it doesn't seem to consume lots of calories, but it is consuming lots of calories, and you get starting sweating. Open your feet uh, as much as the shoulder width and start moving your hands in this way. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. You are extending your hands more and more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You can call this exercise the bird flies. When you move your hands up, you can look upward. And then add the movement of the feet to this exercise. When you breathe in, then breathe out, you go a little bit down. Bend your knees. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And with every movement, you open more and more your hands. You extend your hands more and more and go down more and more. You should only bend your knees, shouldn't lean forward or backward. Breathe out, breathe in. I can show you from the side. And also from back. I hope you would enjoy this exercise. See you later.